Welcome, Coaster Spotters. We are at SeaWorld. We are doing construction update today for Icebreaker. As we can see, the reverse spike, 100 degrees, has been topped off. So let's go ahead and take a closer view of all the construction so far. So far, they have completed the brake run, the backward launch, and the double dip up into it. Let's take a look around the entire site. That 100-degree reversal is going to be absolutely amazing, especially with that double dip that you will traverse 2 times because it's a quadruple launch. Fantastic. Looks like they are working on the station today.
No, but what's that?
That double dip is going to be amazing going forwards and backwards. Cannot wait for that element. That is going to be incredible. Into the stadium. As construction progresses, the ride will traverse over this pathway.
Wow, Mom.
What explores this path?
What a beautiful sunset.